Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four stars Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on a Friday, February the 2nd, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the four-star Sudoku. Well, not three puzzles, three and a half puzzles, because this one I've made a mistake. Yeah, someone told me and leave a message below this video, so I will correct this one. So, but let me start with this one. Continue with this one. Number 7924. Let me zoom this out. 7924. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 24, as usual. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 4 2s. Alright. 3 3s, 3 4s, 1 5. No, 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 2s are a majority. Can I start with a 2? That's the question. No. No, 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 no. Well, not true, not true, not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 in the second row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Then, well, now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number 5 5? Yeah. 1 6, yeah. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here's 6 in this column, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 in this row. Should be there. I need a 4. Need an 8. Need a 7. Okay. Let me see. 1 2 3 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this first column. Should be there. 5 5. 1 7 9. Okay. Alright. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level is 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places level is 6. Could be here, could be there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only two places level is 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places level is 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places level is 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. No. Well. Yeah. Need a 7. Yeah, need a 7 there. 3, 1, need a 3 here, need a 1 here, need a 5 here. 5. 3, okay. Come on. Need 2 here. Need a 7 here. Let me think. Need a 5. Need a 5 here. Interesting. 1. 7. 1, 8, 5. 1, 8, 5. Well, need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. This one is not easy. Not easy. 3. I need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3s. Well, cannot believe this. 3. No. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, only 3 place level. 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the row below, no 3 there. So the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For almost 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright. 1 and 8. Yeah. How about the 2 now? 2 still cannot finish this. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. Need a 7 here. 1, 1. 1 and need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Well. Come on. Yeah. 6, 2, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Hey. What's happening? These 3 should be the numbers. So 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 179. That means that those 2 boxes should be the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Alright, so we have a 4 there. Need a 4 here, need a 4 here. Need an 8 there. 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only place left 8 should be there. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square. No 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 could be here. Could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 4 in the second. 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. We have a 4 here. That means we need a 4 also here. Means in this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4. There's only place left for the 4. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next to that column. Only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the only place left 8 in this middle column should be there. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. 8 in, oh wait, need an 8 there, cannot continue with 8. Now we have a 2 there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And, the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 4, 8, and need a 1 here. And here, 4, 8, and I need a 7 here. Well, we have 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. That means I cannot place the 7 there. The 7 should be here then. So the 4 and 8 are left. Okay. 9. Need a 9 here. 1, 9, and the 4. 1, 9, and a 4. I need a 4 here. Yep, 4, 4, 4. How about here? 1, 9, 5. 1, 9, 1, 9, 5. 9, 5. 9, 5, 7. Need a 7 here. 1, 9, 5. Here, 1 number left in this row for number 1. So the 9 and the 5 are left. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. That means 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, I believe 9 and a 5 again. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and a 7. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the man. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the man. 1 is missing. So we have 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the only place left for the 1 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. Here 2 numbers left in this big square for them. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only place left of 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for them. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so in that row the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. On there we have 1 in this second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. So the 4 and the 8, 4 and the 8 are missing. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9, 9, 9. Okay. 1 box left in this big square. The 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, we solved again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this 2 stars. And I like this one. See you later on with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.